All right. So, all right, one sec. Okay.
I can give you the room. I can create a room and then I can give you the room number if you want.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Um. Okay. The room number is 1001.
Can you said? Can you put the? Do you have like a URL
Yeah.
or anything like that?
Well, 1001. That's.
Oh,
Do-
okay.
I can share the screen and then you if here. Um. Here. Um. Yeah. Do you see what I am seeing?
Yes. CS timer.
Okay. So CS timer. Here, basically, you have to click on tools and
Tools.
then on online battle.
Okay. Let me. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Try. Tools. Uh. Okay. Maybe I can share my screen here. Let me try.
Okay.
Okay. Um, Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay,
On
so
the top left, yes, exactly. Click on tools.
tools.
Yes. Then down in the very bottom right, you can see that draw scramble thing. Click on that.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Wait. You actually usually you can change it.
Oh,
Click it.
online competition.
Yes. Online battle. Select
Okay.
online battle.
And then 1001.
No, you have to click on join room.
Oh,
That's yeah.
okay. Okay, yeah, I think I got it now. Okay. Cool.
Mm-hmm. There. Yes, exactly.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Great. Now we
Awesome.
now we have the same scrambles.
Yep. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I first gotta solve it because I scrambled it before.
Okay.
What's your record?
Like my all-time record is like 13 seconds, but that was like from a very very long time ago. I just got super lucky. So recently, I like my very good times is like 16 seconds, but to be honest, I averaged like I would say like 21 seconds.
21 seconds. That's your average. Yeah. Sometimes I get 21, but those are usually the yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
I'm gonna
I have just so many tabs right now. Let me get this figured out. Okay. All
okay.
right. Let me get my cube first. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna start solving.
All right.
Uh, I made a mistake right at the beginning.
Okay. So just to make sure I have the right scramble as you, I have URDLF for the first.
Well, CS Samer says it's the same scramble, so
Oh,
yeah. Like that's the whole thing of online battle. It's
oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I just started a new session here, so yep, I'm ready to go. And yep.
Yeah, I already solved.
Oh, you already solved?
Yeah.
Okay, let me solve. Okay. Okay, I got 22 seconds. I kind of messed up the cross there, but it's all
Mm-hmm.
good. Okay, so can I see your? Okay, oh yeah, I see your time. 17 seconds.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
that's amazing.
Thank you.
What's your average usually?
16 seconds. That's my
Oh,
average.
that's great. That's great. Yeah, I wish I could be sub 20 soon.
Yeah, yeah, I mean, as I saw in your 1 month like progression video, you improved. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah. Just gonna, yeah, just trying to stay consistent. Maybe practice. Try to practice every day.
yes,
Okay,
okay.
right.
So I have to. I'm just gonna solve.
Right. So
25.
yeah, I just got a little nervous there. I feel like I pause a lot when I'm nervous, but I think my turning speed is very fast when I'm like nervous for some reason. But 25.
Yeah,
Okay, let's do the next solve here.
when I'm nervous, I usually just completely mess up.
Yeah, same here. I keep messing up the cross for some reason, but yeah. Once I get a few solves in, I'll be better.
Yes,
All right, I'm going to do the third solve here. Alright.
I got an OLL case uh, where it's like for me it's the worst. I got a 19. Maybe you can beat it.
Oh shoot, messed up the freaking PL. Uh, dang, that was bad.
30. For me, it was also bad. What's your best average of 5 that you ever got?
5.
Yeah.
I believe like I don't know. I used to cube a lot back in the days. I was like, I think it was like 18 or something. But yeah, I took a big
18.
break from cubing. I'm just getting back into cubing this year, and my best of 5 was like 19 seconds.
19 seconds, 18 seconds, something like that. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, like my best time was 14 seconds for average with 5.
Oh,
But
that's great.
then I got a new cube and now it's 12 seconds.
Oh, wow.
So yeah,
What's your new cube?
Moyu Super RS3.
Oh, Moyu, super
Yes.
nice.
Before that, I was using the Rubik's brand
Oh, that's
Good Cube.
terrible. That's terrible. So, what solve are you on right now?
I'm just solving now the scramble that was on screen.
Oh, alright. Let's start
Um,
here.
Hmm.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, that was a good solve for both of us. Of us. Yeah.
Okay. So, how long have you been cubing for?
1 year.
1 year. That's amazing. What? Wow. I've been
Thank you.
cubing for I don't know since I was back in high school, and it's already been like 5 years. So, but I'm just doing it for like fun,
Yeah. I'm also doing it for fun.
Yeah, maybe I can
Yeah,
try a
but
little
I'm
bit
very
harder.
but I'm very consistent, and
Oh,
usually I do like 100 solves a day. So
okay, yeah, that explains a lot. I only do 12 solves a day. Oh,
yes.
okay, that's pretty good. Wow.
20 again.
Yeah, I thought I was doing very, very bad, but for some reason the time was a lot better than I expected.
Yeah,
I feel
that
like,
happens sometimes to me as well.
yeah, I feel like when I go to competition, or like if I, is racing with somebody, I get like
Hmm.
adrenaline rush, and I just solve the cube faster for some reason.
Yeah, with me it's like the opposite somehow. Yeah. Okay. How long was the break that you took from cubing?
Um, I would say like after I went to college, I took a big break. Um, but yeah, right now I have a job, and yeah, I have some free time because my job I only like work like 37 hours a week. So yeah, I've just been getting back into QB. And it's pretty fun having something to
Mm,
do. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So how long would you say? Like how many months, years?
Like since I started cubing.
I mean since you like how long the break was?
Oh, uh, like I would say 4 years. Like when I was in college. Yeah,
4
4 years.
years.
Yeah, because college is kind of stressful. It's yeah, you have to be
So
very have to focus on your studies and stuff. So yeah, that's when I took the big break. And
so at the end you kind of have like 1 year.
yes, just this year I just started practicing
Mm,
every day. At least I try to. Um,
yeah. How I got into cubing was like my big brother showed me that he can solve the Rubik's cube. I was like, ah, I also need to learn it. And then my little sister also wanted to learn it. And then my little brother also wanted to learn it. And that's how we got all into cubing.
yeah, same here. Like I showed my sister that I can solve the Rubik's cube, and she just kind of got into it this year. Like and yeah, she's just been just doing it for fun because I don't know. I guess she is has a lot of free time on her side as well, so she decided to learn the Rubik's cube. So yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, back there, like my big brother's record, that was like the big goal to beat that. It was 1 minute and 50 seconds. And
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. But then I got faster at one point than everyone else in my family. And then they decided to not race anymore with me because it wasn't fun anymore for them.
Oh, so you're the fastest in the family.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, okay.
My big brother's record is 47 seconds.
Ah,
Yeah, my little sister's record is 55, and my little brother's record is 48.
ah.
And my record is 9 seconds. So that's
9 seconds. That's so. Do you know like full OLL?
if almost, but I don't know full PLL. I only know like two look.
Oh, to look. Okay,
Yes.
interesting. And you still get like very good time, so that's great. Yeah. I know full PLL. I just don't know the two. I just have three algorithms I need to learn, but I'm not sure if I'm going to learn it because they're like the super hard cases uh,
Mm.
that you like rarely get. The chances of getting it is like 1 out of 72. So I've just been, but it's been working pretty well for me. PLL.
Mm. Yeah. It's yeah. What is currently your average of 5?
Current average of 5. Let me check here. 1 sec. My current average of 5 is 21.60.
Ah, yeah. So you're exactly what you said. You're averaging. Yeah.
Yep. And pretty good. That's yeah. My saws really been getting pretty good. The first few saws were terrible, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect my average of 12. But yeah, average of 5, pretty good. Satisfied.
uh, Less than 2 seconds faster, and you would have beat me. Oh no, like 2 seconds. I yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was close. You got 18 seconds. I got 20.28. Yeah, only 18.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Mistaken after all. Uh, this time it's just barely sub 20.
Dang. 20. Ah, I was so close again. Only by 1 second.
By 1.5 seconds faster, you would have beat me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have you gone to any Rubik's cubing competitions before?
I never ever went to a competition because like I wanted to, and like they're not happening very often and usually not very close to me. I
Oh,
live in Bulgaria, like in the mountains there.
oh, Bulgaria. Oh,
Yes.
oh,
What? Yeah, but maybe if I'm lucky, I can. On the 17th is a competition in, I think it was Burgas somewhere, and but it's like 490 kilometers away.
that's
So
far. That's far.
yes,
Wow.
and you?
Yeah. I'm thinking about booking maybe another competition. Maybe when I get to sub 20, uh,
Yes,
average of 12. So yeah, I want to improve first, maybe. Yeah,
yes.
because for me, there's like cubing competitions. Usually have to drive. Uh, I would say yeah, maybe like an hour away in most cases, and they don't happen pretty often. So I would say maybe I will try to join a competition like once maybe there's a competition close to me, which that should be in a couple of months, I would say.
Mm, yeah. Do you also do like two by two?
No.
No.
Maybe I will because yeah, it's good to solve different puzzles sometimes. I kind of want to get into 4x4 also.
Mm, mm.
Oh, let's go. I get a good time.
What did you get?
Dang,
16. Ah!
dang.
uh, what if you just got that on the last solve?
Yeah, that would be great. Um, yeah, I heard from some people maybe solving 4x4 might help with your look ahead. So yeah.
Yeah, like what I find is two by two. I mean, I don't have a 4x4, but I mean, two by two is also helping a lot because you can, it's smaller, so you can look easily more into the future. That's like
Uh,
what I think.
oh yeah,
But
I will probably get a two
yeah,
by two sometime in the future as well.
yeah,
It looks fun.
yeah, it is fun. It's yeah.
Yo,
Okay, it's
okay, so this will be our last solve. The this is the final solve here.
yeah, your last chance to beat me.
Don't go easy on me.
No, I made a mistake and have to go up.
Oh shoot, my OLL is terrible. I got a dot case, so my OLL is so slow.
20.
Oh,
Less than a second away.
yeah,
No,
it's
like a second and
yeah.
1.5 seconds. Mm.
Uh,
But do you do one-handed?
one-handed. No, I can.
No,
I don't know. I think my hands are just too small, and the cube is maybe
that's
too
the
big.
same thing what I'm thinking because a lot of I can you actually only do like U turns and R turns.
Um,
So
yeah,
yeah, that's
yeah, and with one-handed, you have to learn like specific one-handed algorithms.
oh
And
really?
yeah, yeah, because I don't know. Some moves have like actually, not that I think about it. I think yeah, there's some like one-handed algorithms that only use the like that's catered for one-handed solving. Because some like two-handed algorithms are very hard to perform on the one-handed.
Hmm.
Yeah, maybe for like
Yeah,
M moves, maybe it's like
M moves. That's like the that's what I when I
actually
I
yeah,
always
it's not too bad.
almost drop the cube when I try to do M moves
Yeah. Yeah, like
with
the
one hand.
top number one solver, he uses like Rue,
Roots.
like a Rue method.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. There, but there are also like, so the number. I think the world record is from someone that is using Rooks or Ru. Yeah, however you say that. But the second is using just like the CFOP Max Park. It's
Yeah.
yeah. It's so there. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's possible like with both methods to become very
Yeah.
fast. But then you need to be able to turn the cube fast before.
Yeah.
That's like the difficult thing there.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. I like CFOP. I think Rue, you have to maybe do maybe I don't know. I think C it looks cool to like turn with CFOP because you can turn very fast. So
Yes, and it's not that much. I mean the difference with between CPOP and group with the efficiency is not that big. It's just
yeah.
like it's yeah, and yeah, at the end you can just turn faster because you don't have to think less. So I think
Right.
it's better. Yeah.
Yeah. Same here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, he is.
One question.
Yeah.
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 What?
You have a question?
Yeah, I wanted to ask you like what is for what video are you recording this?
Probably just titling it "Racing a Random Subscriber" or something like that.
Ah,
Um,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Because yeah, I've just been trying to. I'm not uploading more videos these days because it's kind of fun to be honest.
yeah.
Because I have a lot of free time in my hands, like so yeah, just trying to create some videos for you to for fun.
Yes. Hmm. Nice.
And yeah, thank you so much for yeah, setting up this meeting. Sorry I didn't get to the meeting last time. I wasn't checking my business email.
Yeah, it's okay.
But yeah, if you want to race again, just DM me on Instagram. Uh,
Yes.
and yeah, maybe we can do this again next time. Next time.
Next time we're gonna be big.
Next time you'll probably be like sub 10 or something. Uh,
Oh, I'm improving very slowly these days now. But yeah, like the better you get, the slower
uh,
it gets.
yeah, I think that's my plateau. Like I've been stuck around 20 seconds for 5 years. I mean, mostly because I haven't been practicing, but yes, for me, it's so hard to break the 20-second barrier. So that's
Yes,
why if I get like sub 20, I'll be so happy.
yes. Like yeah, sub 20 average of 12. Like or
Yeah, of 12. That's my standard because I feel like sometimes you get lucky on the average of 5. So I think average of 12 is better to measure like your consistency.
yes, I think that's also I also think that like but what I did like to one time I was like, okay, it looks like I'm sub 20 now, but now I'm gonna test it. So I made an average of 250. And yeah, but it worked. Yeah, I was sub 20, so
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Average. So you have an average of 250.
Well, I just made 250 subs when I thought
Oh,
like, okay, now I'm sub 20. Let's try if it's real.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But it's average of 12, I think it's also like yeah.
What's your best average of 12?
My best average of 12 is 13 seconds.
13. Nice.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, are you going to learn PLO?
I am currently like learning some PLLs, yeah.
Yeah, you'll probably get like 10 seconds, around 10 seconds easy once you learn like PLO. It
Yeah, do
usually
you
shaves
think?
off a couple seconds off, like I would say a couple seconds off yourself. So Yeah, I was mid 20s before I learned PLL. Then after PLL, I'm like very low 20s, like 20 seconds, 21 seconds, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see
Yeah.
how much it will take off my average.
So are you going to practice? So it's a weekend for you, right?
Well, yeah, it's weekend for me.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you're gonna practice tonight?
Well, I have a like they want me to go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Oh,
So
that's early. That's
yes, really, it's early. Yes,
so okay. So right
yes,
now, what
yeah.
time?
Right now it's 8:43 in my country.
8:43.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So you're about to go to sleep. Okay.
yeah. I mean, I still have an hour to. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Well, enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you so
yeah,
much. And for racing me, and
yeah,
take care.
yeah. You too, and thanks as well.
Yeah, no problem. Next time, just DM me and we can race again.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
great.
all right, take care. See ya.